The first step in replacing a window pane that is held in place by wooden bead molding is to remove the remaining glass from the opening. Don't forget to wear safety glasses. For cracked glass that's not fully broken out, for stubborn pieces that won't come out, you may have to score the paint. Most likely, at least one side of the molding is nailed into place. Use a magnet to find the nail heads. Removing the first piece of molding without breaking it or damaging it can be difficult. I know in the past someone else has replaced a window pane because both bottom pieces of molding don't match the original molding that came with the door. On the nailed side of the door, use a sharp, thin-bladed utility knife to cut away any paint and open the seam between the Munson bar and the bead molding. I'm refurbishing this door and have stripped all the paint, making it easy to see the seam. Keep the knife at 90 degrees and using steady pressure, score the seam. It may take as many as 10 to 12 strokes to cut the paint and open the seam. Be patient. Score the paint on the corner joints. When the seam is open, use a painter's tool to pry the molding away from the Munson bar. The best way to get the first piece removed is to pry behind each nail a bit and then push the molding back against the Munson bar. Push back and forth until the nail head pops out. Then remove the nail. If you can't get all the nail heads to pop out, try the other long side of molding. As a last resort, cut the nails. After all the nails are pulled out or cut, gently pry upwards, being careful not to break the other side of the molding as the person who repaired my window did. The other side is likely glued into place. I did do a little damage to one piece of the first set of moldings that I removed. A little bit of glue fixed the problem. Score and pry away the other three pieces. The nails can be pulled out later. You might try leaving the top piece in place and slipping the new glass past it. I wasn't able to do that. Mark the location of each piece. This could be important later. Measure the span between the Munson bars. Subtract 1/8 of an inch from each dimension and have the hardware store cut the glass to size. My nails were number 18 3/4 inch wire brads. If your door is painted, you might consider taking a piece of molding to the hardware store with you and having the paint matched. I plugged the nail holes by gluing small slithers of wood into them. You might be able to use the old nails and existing holes to reattach the molding. My molding was super tight. I ground off any nail nubs from the cut off nails and then tapped the molding into place. Your molding may fit into place more easily. The small brads didn't split the wood for me. If using larger nails, consider pre-drilling the holes. Use a nail set to countersink the nail heads. Then put putty over top of the indentations. This is an interior door. Paint will be okay to seal the joint. For an exterior door, seal the joints with some caulk. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.